Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing doubt. Plug the phone into a known good charger and let it charge for at least 15 minutes so the battery isn't the culprit. Once charging, perform a force restart. Hold power plus the appropriate volume key for 10-20 seconds to trigger a reboot. While it powers, look closely for physical damage or moisture around seams and the screen. These first checks separate simple power or software issues from hardware failures, and get you ready for deeper troubleshooting steps. Once done with power checks, isolate software. You should boot into safe mode or recovery to see if the display returns without third-party apps loaded. This identifies app-caused freezes. Make sure to remove the case, SIM, and SD card, and test a different cable and power adapter to rule out accessory interference. Next, connect the phone to a computer. If the PC recognizes the device or the charging LED appears, the motherboard is partially alive, and the issue likely sits with the display assembly or display driver. You finish by weighing repair choices. If you can back up data, a factory reset can clear deep software faults, but don't reset unless you've secured your files. If the phone supports external video output, try an adapter to confirm the GPU and system are fine. This proves the screen assembly is at fault. If the display remains black after all steps, make sure to consult an authorized repair center for display or connector replacement. This avoids DIY damage. One tip: document symptoms and tests to speed diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.